Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down 15 powerful 5-minute safety topics you can use in your daily toolbox talks. They are short, they are smart, and they just might save a life. Let's start with PPE, your personal protective equipment. It's your first line of defense. Helmets, gloves, goggles. Make sure they fit right and are in good shape before you start work. Topic 2: Slips, trips, and falls. Slips, trips, and falls are the most common workplace accidents. Wet floors, loose cables, uneven surfaces, fix them or report them right away. Topic 3: Fire safety. Know where the fire extinguishers are. Don't block exits or store flammable stuff near heat. And never ever ignore fire alarms. Topic 4: Lockout and Tagout. Before working on equipment, lock it out and tag it. Never assume it's safe. If someone else tagged it, don't touch it. Topic 5: Ladder safety. Ladders aren't as harmless as they look. Use the right ladder for the job. Don't stand on the top step and always maintain 3-point contact. Topic 6: Electrical safety. Lignal electricity doesn't give second chances. If cords are frayed or exposed, stop, replace it, and never use tools in wet conditions. Topic 7: Safe lifting. Lift with your legs, not your back. Don't twist. If it's too heavy, ask for help or use equipment. Topic 8: Working at height. Working at height? Harness up, inspect your gear and secure it properly. Falls are no joke. Topic 9: Hazard communication. Before using any chemical, read the label. Check the SDS. Know the risks, the PPE required, and first aid steps. Topic 10: Heat stress. Hard day, drink water every 20 minutes. Take breaks in the shade. Don't wait to feel sick. Topic 11: Cold stress. If you are working in the cold, layer up. Gloves, hats, waterproof gear, it's all essential. Hypothermia sets in fast. Topic 12: Eye safety. Your eyes are priceless. Wear goggles or a face shield when grinding, cutting, or using chemicals. Topic 13: Housekeeping. Clutter causes accidents. Clean up spills, put tools back, and keep pathways clear. Topic 14: Emergency evacuation. Do you know your emergency exit? Don't wait till it's too late. Know where to go and who to report to. Topic 15: Mental health. Stress affects safety. Check in with yourself and your team. It's okay to talk about it. 5 minutes? That's all it takes to remind your crew that safety matters. Use these topics in your toolbox talks and let's make safety a habit, not a checkbox. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with your team.